Welcome back to TechKnowPoint. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to run your PHP programs using XAMPP. So diving straight to the point, XAMPP is an open source cross-platform and is abbreviation of Apache, MySQL, Perl and PHP, and it has interpreters for this mentioned script so that you can execute your program. To start working with XAMPP, you'll first need to install it, for which now we are going into our browser and we will search for XAMPP. And spelling for the same is XAMPP, that is Apache, MySQL, Perl and PHP. And now you have to click on the very first link that is visible on your web page. Here you can see there are various download options according to the operating system. As I am working with Windows, I'll click for XAMPP for Windows. Let it get downloaded. For all those who don't know what interpreter is, I'll describe it in description box. You can check it there. So once it gets downloaded, go into the download folders of your PC and search for file XAMPP Windows and let it get opened. You might see a Microsoft pop-up here. Let's see what it says. Okay, so install anyway. Click on install anyway if you get this pop-up, and there will be another window pop-up which may ask for few permissions from you. So let's see. So here you have that another window pop-up, and click on yes, okay, and click on next. Now you have to create another folder of XAMPP in your C drive. Here I am naming it as a XAMPP2, and you have to select that folder. Then again click on next, and here it's asking about your browser. I am using Chrome here, and now this application software will start getting installed. So you can see it's getting installed over here. So I hope you all are aware that PHP is not a client language, but it's a server-side language, and it stands for preprocessor hypertext. So till the time it's getting installed, okay, it's done. Now click on finish. Because we are done with installing, we'll click on finish, and you will have another window pop-up. It's called as admin or my admin page, something like that, which will open after it gets installed. And again it will ask for few permissions from you which are necessary for PHP code to run. So as you can see, it has Apache MySQL option. You have to start both of them in order to run your PHP programs. Click on start and then close the window. Now go back to the folder that you created on your C drive, and I named it as a XAMPP2, so I'll look for that folder, and in that folder search for file htdocs. It may have some default files which are been downloaded, which has been created while you are installing it. Here you create another new folder of your own choice and name it anything. Keep in mind that this folder will be used to store all your PHP codes. Here I am naming it as codes. And now yes, it's been created, and now you're done with the installation of XAMPP and you're all ready to start with. So here we have Sublime text editor, and once you get into text editor, search for the folder that you created into htdocs in your XAMPP. As I created codes, I'll look for the codes folder and select that folder. In the same folder, create a new file, and now you can start writing your code in that file. Here I am writing a PHP code to print hello world. So it will be like PHP and then echo hello world. and then close the brackets. Save the file with proper PHP extension. So I'll be saving this file as, I think, indexed.php. So yes, index.php. Save. Now get out of the text editor, go to your browser, and now you have to search for your file. So it will be localhost / name of the folder that you created in htdocs. Here I have created code, so it will be localhost / codes. And you can see a web page has displayed with hello world. So this is how it works. Now let us make a new file in the same folder and see how it works. So get back to the text editor and create another file in the same folder, and I'll be naming it as first.php. Save. And now I'll write a code to print hello and welcome to my web page. So the same code with different sentence. Echo hello and welcome to my web page. Semicolon. So close the brackets and get out of the text editor. This time we will browse with the file name as well. So we'll search localhost / codes, that is folder name, / files name, that is first.php, and enter. So you can see a web page has been displayed with hello and welcome to my web page. So this is how PHP programs run. Hope so you are clear with the idea of running PHP codes, and this video